Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are really going to work on our fundamentals of the game. We are going to get a lot of touches in and we are going to make sure that we are sharp on the ball. So as the name suggests, we are only going to need a wall and a ball for this and maybe 3 to 5 yards of space. You have some space on your rooftop or in the parking lot or maybe outside in the passage area or just at home. So you'll have to improvise a bit. So let's start. So make sure that you again do a full body warm up before you start these exercises and we'll just get right into it. Let's go. So first off we are going to work on a variety of ball juggling. So ball juggling is an excellent way of improving your ball control. So we are first going to start off with a smaller sized ball. Because the surface is smaller, you are forced to take a more accurate touch and focus even harder. And it's okay even if you are able to get 2 in a row, you have to start somewhere. Eventually with practice, the number will go up. So let's start.
When you want me to love, when you want me to love, when you want me to love, only know you've been high.
So next we are going to work on a one-touch passing. So we are just going to go 3 to 4 yards away from the wall and just do passes against the wall. So I want nice, hard and flat passes of consistent weight. If the ball bounces up, just bring it back down. So we are going to be working on our side foot passing. So this is the side foot. So because of the larger surface of this part of the feet, we are going to get higher accuracy. But because of the nature of this leg swing, you're not going to be able to generate a lot of power. So this is good for a short distance, but not for a longer distance. And don't just go through the motions in this exercise, just really put your mind to it, because what we are also working on is consistency. So I want you to try and hit the same part of the foot and same part of the wall again and again and again. So we are going to do 100 reps with the right foot and then with the left foot. Let's go.
Only know you've been high. When you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. But you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go.
So next up we are going to work on a two-touch passing. So again we are going to be 3 to 4 yards away from the wall. If you have some more space, go 5 to 6 yards behind. And then again we are going to work on the same technique. So we are going to make a pass, but this time we are going to take a touch with the same feet. Try to set it up for the next pass. So make sure that your touch is not too far ahead, nor is it getting stuck between your feet, nor left nor right. It is just perfect to set you up for the next pass. So let's go.
Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. But you only need the light. But you only need the light. But you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you.
So finally we are going to work on our turning. So it is a very important skill set, and no matter where you're playing, you are going to need to turn with the ball very efficiently. So you are going to make a positive turn in this. So by positive I mean left, right or right back behind us. So we are going to do 60 in total, 20 on each side. So first I'm just going to do it on the left. So wherever the ball however the ball comes to me, I'm just going to try and go on the left side, and it doesn't matter how many touches I'm taking. You can do it in 1 touch, 2 touch or 3 touch. Do it slowly, get the movement and get it right. So let's go.
Only know you've been high. Baby, wanna make love. Only know you've been high. Baby, wanna make love. Baby, only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow.
So guys, this is what I had for you in this video. So as you can see, we worked on a lot of fundamental stuff. We worked on our passing, ball control, ball touches, turning with the ball, and in general we got a lot of ball touches in. So yes, it looks simple, but it is not easy. And in general, this is a great form of workout. You'll feel your feet burning up within no time. So the real question that you need to ask yourself is, can you do the basics 9 times out of 10 consistently under opponent pressure, under match pressure? And if the answer to that question is not yes, then you need to practice this, not just now, but later on as well. So thanks a lot for watching, and do give these a try, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.